average true range, or ATR, doesn't tell you which direction price is going in, it tells you how much price is moving. It measures volatility, and that's incredibly useful for things like setting stop losses. Let me show you how to add it to your chart. Simply click the / key, go to average true range, the lower pane will pop up. Now, the way to read it is when the ATR line is high, price is making big swings, the market's volatile. When it's low, price is quiet and moving in small ranges. Watch this. See how ATR spiked right here? That's when price made this big violent move. And when it's flat down here, you'll notice that the chart's calm. Now, why does this matter? Because say you're setting a stop loss. ATR tells you how much room price normally needs. In a high ATR market, a tight stop gets knocked out by normal noise. The default length is also 14, which you can see right here. To change it, simply go to settings and ta-da. Other than that, have a great day, guys.